Hey everyone, OMG here today. I'm going to be using my voice in this video. I really hope you're enjoying my content and videos as much as I love making them. Today I'm going to be reacting to another Jigsaw sister. I don't know how this one's going to go for the fact that Jigsaw sister got arrested in the last one. I just thought that making a reaction with my voice would be better than just typing it on the screen. So, yeah, I'm actually curious how this video will turn out. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so it seems she doesn't have music in the intro, probably because of copyright claims or something like that. But that's okay because you still get to learn the names of the characters. And why the hell is she so flipping creepy? Every time I see her, yet she's still creepy. Oh hey, it's those guys. Yeah, their experience, if that was on the news, I would probably change channel. Yeah. Who the hell are you? Aaron. Who the hell is Aaron? Probably a new character. Waiting for your little brother. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm happy too. She's actually quite nice. Going to a dark alleyway. Perfect place to die. I like her. I like her a lot. Okay, so she's having a party. Yeah, that is a good point. Wait. What the hell are you laughing at? That's not funny. Oh my god, I don't like these two. Not at all. Okay. I quite like these characters. They've got a lot of detail and they're so cool. Wait. Oh god, you did forget Noah. What? Wasn't he the guy you were waiting for earlier and you forgot to invite him to the party? Seriously. Oh goodness. I really do like her. Yeah, he was really fast. Now, okay, why are you... Oh my god, what is Ali doing? Oh, that's a lot of apple juice. And why are you drawing a mustache on her when she's sleeping? I mean, granted, I would do the same thing, but... Wait, unicorns are evil. How are unicorns evil? They're just horses with horns. What the hell? But seriously, Ali, can you stop that? But I love how much apple juice they have. I do love apple juice though. Delicious. Oh, that's right. They may have captured Jigsaw sister, but they didn't capture the man, whoever he was, that was capturing the people for Jigsaw sister. He could have easily broke her out. But if that's the case... That's not good. That's not good at all. I think you guys have had a bit too much apple juice. Aha! This place again. Jigsaw Sister's old place, huh? You're there. Are you saying me? Oh my god. Thank you! Oh my gosh. What is wrong with me? Why would you prank someone like... What? Oh goodness. Same as the first one. It's not a prank. Seriously, if it was a prank, how are you all there? Knocked out on the floor. Okay. Oh god, it's her. For flippin' sake, why is she so creepy? I know that I say it like that I'm mad, but seriously, she is so creepy. Okay, so one by one, meaning one in each room. Okay. And there will be a knife and TV. Okay, standard. You'll have to... It's a rerun of a recording that's been done before. You can tell because of the shade is different. You were dead painful. Yeah, that was the first challenge of the first movie. Oh no. Yeah. I would just try and run. But hey. Oh, it is one of her old games. Language. That would have hurt. Ugh, I just got a picture of someone cutting out an eye. Cutting out their eye right in front of me. Ugh. Ew. Your leg. Okay, so she didn't cut them off. She just cut them a lot. Alright. To get a lot of blood. Okay, cool. She can still walk. That's good. Do I exit the room? Ouch! Oh! Yeah, ow! Oh my god, first death. Electrocution! Heads up, I know some people thought they were being, like, possessed or something, but no. That is actually electrocution. Like, that's like... Yeah. You know what I'm trying to say. Next game. Okay, yep. Yep, it's definitely a rerun of, Jigsaw Sister 1. Meaning she couldn't possibly not be out of jail. And this man is refreshing all the videos. Who the hell is he anyway? Wait, no, this is a game from Jigsaw Sister 3. Oh well. Bruh, I think you need more bandages. Those bandages are full of blood. I will go. Okay. Oh, hi. Oh my, not this game. This one's just mean. Oh no. We'll get electrocuted. Electrocution. Yeah. Oh. Oh. He threw the sword. Oh wow. So, knife. Oh my god. It's a knife. Yeah, I don't think that's the end, sweetheart. As you can see here, she just released Jigsaw Sister 5. See you soon, everyone.